Baana bawala muyiga okufumbirwa ku basajja abakulu.
Young ladies learn how to get married to old men.
Abo abasajja kankunyumiza abasajja abo bakinaana mu esatu kina.
Let me tell you a secret. Those men who are about 83 years old.
Wuliriza.
Listen.
Buno obulenzi buno tekaterera waka atengenze ku mupiira atengenzeewa naye muzeeyi tava ku lubalaza.
These boys who are still young, they are never settled at home. They are going to watch football. But this old man will never leave your veranda.
Amina. Sirika nkubulire amagezi.
Keep quiet and I give you counsel.
Muteke mutebe ye ku lubalaza, muteke flaska ye eya chai.
Put him on the veranda, give him a flask of tea.
Genda ku choir practice erojja musanga nga ali awo.
Go for choir practice. You'll come back and find him there.
Taina walaga.
He does not go away from home.
Yazimba de nyumba ye.
He already built his house.
Temugenda kupangisa.
You are not going to rent.
Alina olusuku togenda kugula ndagala.
He has a plantation. You're not going to buy banana leaves.
Amina.
Amen.